Dow futures fall more than 200 points after Hamas attack against Israel. The stock market is opening lower today after the Israeli government declared war following deadly attacks by Hamas from the Gaza Strip. The conflict in the Middle East raises concerns about higher oil prices and disruptions to supply chains. Consumer sector. Tesla, TSLA. In September, Tesla experienced a 10.9% decrease in sales, selling 74,073 China-made electric vehicles, as reported by the China Passenger Car Association. Tyson Foods, TSN, and other meat processors. Tyson Foods and other meat processors are closing plants across the country due to slackening consumer demand and persistently high costs for livestock, feed, and wages, according to the Wall Street Journal. Shift Technologies Incorporated, SFT. Online used car seller Shift Technologies Incorporated announced its decision to file for bankruptcy and shut down its business operations. United Auto Workers at Mack Trucks. Around 4,000 United Auto Workers members at Mack Trucks are set to strike after rejecting a tentative agreement. The union revealed that 73% of UAW workers rejected the proposed agreement. Energy, Industrials, and Materials sector. Occidental Petroleum Corp., Oxy, ExxonMobil Corp., XOM, Schlumberger Limited, SLB, Devon Energy Corp., DVN. Oil stocks experienced a broad boost following the conflict in the Middle East, with crude oil prices surging. Shares of Occidental Petroleum Corp., ExxonMobil Corp., Schlumberger Limited, and Devon Energy Corp. all saw an increase in value. Defense stocks, GD, NOC, LMT, RTX, LHX. Defense stocks, including GD, NOC, LMT, RTX, and LHX, also rose in response to the Middle East conflict. Goldfields, GFI. Goldfields appointed Michael Fraser as CEO in January to drive the miners' strategy to find new gold deposits outside of its home country and expand the company in the Americas region. Lennox, Lee. Lennox was upgraded to buy from sell at Goldman Sachs, with their target price raised to $455 from $332. Transports. Transports such as airlines Delta, Dow, American, AAL, United, UAL, truckers JB Hunt, JBHT, CH Robinson, CHRW, and cruise lines Carnival, CCL, Royal Caribbean, RCL, faced declines early due to the sharp spike in oil prices overnight. Healthcare sector. Bristol Myers Squibb, BMY. Bristol Myers Squibb agreed to buy Mirati Therapeutics, MRTX, for $58 per share in a deal valued at up to $5.8 billion. MRTX stockholders will also receive one non-tradable CVR for each share held, potentially worth $12 per share in cash. IDEAYA Biosciences, IDYA. IDEAYA Biosciences announced the development candidate nomination of a Werner helicase inhibitor in collaboration with GSK during their Investor R&D Day. Kaiser Permanente. Kaiser Permanente, one of the largest non-profit U.S. healthcare providers, stated that its workers returned to the job Saturday without a contract agreement following a 3-day strike. More than 75,000 union workers at Kaiser returned. Technology, Media, and Telecom sector. Datadog, DDOG. Datadog was downgraded to neutral at Bank of America, with the target price reduced to $105 from $123 following cautious demand checks. Microsoft Corp., MSFT. Microsoft Corp plans to debut its first chip for artificial intelligence at its annual Developersa conference next month, potentially reducing the company's reliance on NVIDIA chips, as reported by The Information. Disney, DIS, Trian Fund Management. Nelson Peltz's Trian Fund Management has become one of Disney's largest investors with a stake worth upward of $2.5 billion and is planning a fresh push for board seats, as reported by The Wall Street Journal.